Importance of balanced diet. Balanced diet in food pyramid. The food we eat is called our diet. Our body needs all types of nutrients in particular amounts. A diet which has all the nutrients in right amounts is called a balanced diet. Look at the food pyramid. The foods at the bottom of the pyramid are meant to be eaten in a greater quantity than those at the top. Rice, wheat, and bread must form a greater part of the daily diet. All seasonal fruits and vegetables must be taken in good amount. Protein-rich foods such as milk, pulses, fish, and cheese should be taken moderately. Oil, ghee, and butter should be in little amount in our daily diet. We should eat a variety of food from each group daily. A balanced diet helps in proper functioning of our body. Avoid wastage of food. Food is one of the basic needs of our life. Every day lots of food get wasted and ends up in dustbin. Many children in the world are dying of hunger, so we should not waste food. Food should be taken in small proportions. We can refill our plates if needed. Food should be preserved to avoid it from getting spoiled. Perishable food that can spoil easily, like fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, should be consumed prior to other food items. Dry fruits should be kept in airtight containers. Thank you. A presentation by Naseem, D.S.